القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. So far we have gone through many letters, areas of articulation, makharij, and we've done the al-jawf, which is the mad letters. We have done the huruf al-halqi, which are the throat letters. We have done the huruf al-halqi divided into three parts. Of course, aqsa lisan, wastul lisan, and the adna lisan. The aqsa al-halq, the wastul halq, and the adna al-halq. And then the lisan letters, the letters of the tongue, which is divided into aqsa lisan, wastul lisan. Wastul lisan can also be known as awsatul lisan. It's the same thing, it's not a problem. Some of your teachers might say awsat. I say wast, it's just a bit easier for me. That's how I learnt it. Wastul lisan. And also the hafatul lisan, which is the side of the tongue, which is the lam and the dad. And the tarful lisan, which is further divided into four parts, depending on what letter, group of letters you are pronouncing. So now we come to the Shafataan. So huruf al-shafatayn, same thing. Okay, you need to know the Arabic significance to find the difference between Shafatan and Shafatain. All you know is shafa, and then tan or tain would be the two lips. So we have fa, just similar to English. The only difference is that we touch the wet part of the bottom part of the lip. So in English, when you say F, you touch the dry part. The teeth touch the dry part of the bottom lip. But in English, you touch the wet part of the bottom lip, the inner wet part. Fa, fa, and it creates a little bit more air which goes through, air and sound. The next letter to be pronounced from the lips is ba, exactly the same as English. There's no difference at all. And the next one is mim, again exactly the same as English, no difference at all. And the waw, again, one is mutaharrik, meaning it has a fatha, dhamma, kasra, so therefore it's easy for to pronounce. It's a wa, wu, wi, wa, wu, wi. Okay, so circle the lips and ensure that the sound is coming from the lips. The next one is the ghunna. Okay, al-khayshum. Al-khayshum is the nasal passage. So the al-khayshum is the noon and the mim. Yeah. So this is the holding of the makhraj which comes from the nose. So when you hold it comes from the nostrils down to the hole in the mouth. And same thing, it comes from the nostrils down to the hole in the mouth. And that completes the lessons on al-makharij. But before we complete the lessons on al-makharij, this is a quick diagram which you can refer to. This in the science of Tajweed learned by categories which I mentioned below is the infographic. Okay, so you can see the noon and the mim, the al-khayshum, you got the shafatain, ba, wa, mim, fa. So za, sin, sad coming from there, dal, tha, dha coming from there, ta, dal, ta coming from here by touching the tongue there, noon and ra. Okay, and then you got the jim, sheen, ya, lam and dad. You got the kaf and the qaf. You got the ghain, kha, ain, ha, and the hamza and ha. So this is a good infographic for you to just have a quick look at where those letters would be coming from. Inshallah, in the next lesson, we will go on to, now there's some exercises here that you must do. You must learn pronounce these letters, and also there's some questions. With these questions, what you will do, you'll answer these questions yourself, check it, and then you will check this with your appointed teacher to ensure that you know the questions, in the correct answers to these questions. And then we'll continue on to Sifat al-Huruf, which is the next lesson. So make sure you go through the exercises and get that checked with your teacher.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Assalamu alaikum. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Salam Alykum.